Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I am going to show you how to convert WhatsApp to business WhatsApp account. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and also like the video. So first of all, let me show you how it's look like what's the icon of app. Go to your app store. If you're an iPhone user, or if you're in your Android user, you can go to app store. Here I'm here with the app store. Here you have to search on a top bar WhatsApp business. After searching that, there's WhatsApp business appear on your screen. As you can see, this is the icon of WhatsApp business. You have to download this app. I have already downloaded in my mobile phone. If you don't have downloaded, you have to download in your phone. So now let me show you how you can convert your WhatsApp to the business account. You have to download business account, then you have to enter the same number of your previous account, simple WhatsApp account. Then you have to add that number. After that, they will ask you the business name. What is your business name? So you have to enter your correct business name. If you want to edit the profile picture of your business, like if you have an icon or if you have a logo of your business, you have to must set this logo to your phone. Then after that, here you can see categories of your business. If your business is about any niche, you can search here and you have to search this business according to that niche. So WhatsApp business provide many business, other business. If your business is related to food, shopping, cosmetic, local service, education, finance, hotel, religious, travel, other, or all of that. If your business is related to any one of these, so what you have to do, you just have to select the category, and after selecting the right category, you just have to enter the name of your business and set the logo of your business, and then you have to press on next. You can see on a top bar. Then after that, after doing this setting, your account will be created. So this is the basic method how you can convert with WhatsApp business. So don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and also comment below if you like this video, if you feel this video informative. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the more updates.